Welcome to the garden. Let's decorate the pond. Gah. I bought this cool remote control alligator just to have some fun at the lake, and it never worked. So now it's a cool decoration for my pond. Just right for Texas, huh? When I first put in my shade pond, I decided to buy some artificial lilies with some little frogs to decorate the pond. And then the plants swallowed them all. For now, I have these really cool little frog bit flowers all over the pond. And later on, I'll put in some tropical shade-loving water lilies. No garden is complete without your garden flag. In case you're wondering why my garden is so shaggy, I am growing out wildflowers for now for the bees and the butterflies. And now our crazy garden pick of the day. This is Jamie Tatum from Crosby, Texas, with a male bunting bird that perched in her hair. I'm sure you've seen these plants at the supermarket right after the holidays, and they're all marked down. This one was marked down to $6.95. And you think to yourself, oh man, that's a cheap price. But look at it. They always die. Well, let me show you why. That's because as soon as you come home, you need to take it out of the wrapper. Here you go, little one. Let's give you some new life. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Do not break up the roots around the soil. Just stick it straight in the way it is. Let's make the hole a little deeper. I mean, you can put water at the bottom of the hole, fertilizer at the bottom of the hole if you want to, and sometimes I do that. Just stick it straight in so it's nice and snug, and fill around the edge to the same level as the top of the pot level, like right here. That's where the, not up here, just down here. And it'll take off in no time. There we go. See, you can see the difference in the soil color. This is just cheapo soil, and this is the nutrient-rich soil, which is really going to help the plant. Let's deadhead it here. There we go. And before you know it, it's going to look gorgeous. I'm not going to water... I'm not going to water it just yet because there's something special that I'm going to do. Come with me. We're going to decorate around my pond with plants, but also using linoleum tiles to protect the bottom of the plants from those nasty ants and other bugs that want to get in and destroy our beautiful plants. So let's get started, huh? Yeah. It's heavy. All right, everything's just about ready. But before I do the watering, I'm going to put out some ant pellets. I think you can buy some ant pellets that is pet friendly. Not sure. Anyway, this is what I'm going to do. But we'll look into other options in future videos, okay? I'll probably put out more later, but just doing this for now. Yeah, it's good. Get those little buggers. Yep. All right. Let's water. Where's my hose? Ah! If you watched my short video, you would have seen what I use for fertilizer. So go ahead and move over there to watch my short vid. But I always use a gentle spray when I'm watering. You don't spray from the top down. That makes no sense because the roots are at the bottom. And I try just to make a little pool in there. Now that it's hot here in Texas, hang on. Now that it's hot here in Texas, I'm watering twice a day. See, we got a good pool going on right there, so that should be fine. The only reason why I'm spraying here is because I got some ant pellets in the plant. There we go. Looks so pretty. Let me show you. Hang on a second. Now I have a lovely sitting area for my husband and I and for family and company to enjoy. The only thing I regret is not potting 2 of my tomatoes in a black pot so that it matches. And ooh, I see a problem. I do. When I don't know how much of a problem it is. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. When I watered, it washed away the soil around these roots. So I'm going to push it down and then put more soil in there, and it should be good. Well, I bought a little solar fountain for my pond, and this is what it does. Okay, I tried a different nozzle. This is the result. Let's try putting it in the sun. Maybe it needs just more juice. Oh, there we go. It just needed some sunshine. Ta-da! It's cute. Okay, I'm happy now. Ta-da-da-ta-ta! Here we go. I also bought these thermometers from Amazon. Link is in the description. And you get 2 for the price of 1. Let's stick them in the pond and look beautiful. Here we go. It's like an adult bathtub. But we still love our toys. Turtle and flamingo. He's cute. Going to tell us the water temperature. With alligator in the background. Ha ha ha. Was that cool or what? Hey, let's keep the channel growing and like and subscribe. I am the Pond Plant Girl. So glad you came. Keep on being you, and I'll see you next time.